Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off auto dubbing on YouTube. Now, auto dubbing is a recent feature that YouTube came out with where they'll take the voice of any video and dub it to another language. I'm going to show you one, how to turn that off on videos that you're watching, and then two, how to turn that off on your channel if you have a YouTube channel and you don't want auto dubbing on there. So let's jump right in. The first thing that you can do is open up the YouTube app on your iPhone, Android, or go to youtube.com. Now, one option is let's hop into a video. Let's say this video from autofocus. I can always change the audio on here if it automatically dubbed to the wrong language by tapping on the gear icon at the top right, tapping on audio track, and then making sure to select English US original. Whatever has original right there, that is the original language that video was filmed in, and you can switch to that. However, if it constantly auto dubs to the wrong language, for instance, it's auto dubbing to French or Spanish when I speak English, you can change that in the settings as well. Let's hop out of this video and tap on U at the bottom right. Tap on the gear icon at the top right. Tap on languages midway down. Oh, I tapped on the wrong thing by accident. Let me go back. Tap on languages and tap on preferred languages. You can see all of these languages that are common on YouTube. You can see all of these ones. I'm going to choose, in my case, English, and you can see English United States because that is what I basically speak and where I live. So just hit confirm and then get out of there. Now that is if you want to change auto dubbing on the videos that you're watching. Next, let's go through it if you want to disable them in your videos. To do that, instead of the YouTube app, open up a web browser and type in studio.youtube.com and hit go. At the bottom, hit Continue in Studio to get to the website-based version of YouTube Studio. Zoom in to the bottom left. Tap on the gear icon at the bottom left. Tap on Upload Defaults on the left. Tap on Advanced Settings next to Basic Info. And scroll down. On this channel, I don't have auto dubbing as a feature that is enabled, but if you have auto dubbing in your channel, you'll see it right there. You'll be able to uncheck auto dubbing and it will be disabled going forward on any of your videos. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one as well. Thanks, guys.